Hello, this is Protoy, your tech partner. Today we are going to install Ubuntu using dual boot system. So first we need to create a partition in our disk. To do that we have to search for the partition. You will find that there is an option create and format hard disk partition. Open it. It will take you to the disk management and check whether your any of the disks is empty or how much you want to extend. So I have already created a new extension named new volume F. To do that click on your available disks, then you can press shrink volume, then you can find this option and calculate your needed extension. After doing this press shrink. As I have already created a new function, so new partition, I am not uh, doing this anymore. After creating a partition we need to go to the when you reach there, search for Ubuntu and go to their website, find their download Ubuntu option and press download Ubuntu for desktop. After clicking that, you will find that download 24.0.4.1 LTS. Press it and it will start downloading here. As I have already downloaded these Ubuntu ISO file, so I am not downloading this anymore. After completing the partition, take a USB drive and select an USB, take an USB drive or a pen drive and go to your browser, search for Rufus. It will create a bootable USB drive that will help you to boot Linux. So go inside this, select Rufus 4.6.exe. When it is installed, then press open it. Select the ISO file you have downloaded recently. Open. Select the drive which is your bootable disk and click start. It will start booting your pen drive. As I have already made a booted pen drive or USB drive, so I am not continuing this. As my bootable pen drive is ready, so now we have to go on the BIOS of my PC. To do that, we will restart and start pressing F11, as this is my Windows specification or requirement to enter BIOS. Well, you can see I have entered the Windows Boot Manager Samsung SSD98. To do that, we can see options that try or install Ubuntu. So I am pressing enter.
Now, when we are in this page, we have to select language and press next. Press next. As we are using English US keyboard, so press next. Use my wired connection. Press next. I can skip this. Install Ubuntu. Press next. Interactive installation. Press next. Press next. Press next. Now we will select install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager as we are using Ubuntu as well. Press next. Now we'll put our name and give a password. Select the password as you want. And tick mark this require my password to login. Press next. Select your location and press next. This will show all the reviews you are seeing you have done and install. This will start installing your Ubuntu as dual boot. Now we can see that our Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS installed and ready to use. So we can continue testing. To test this, we have to go to the terminal and we can check our this is in home. You can check the list. So we can see that there are desktop documents downloads. It's working perfectly. Then we can check sudo apt update. It will update the installation. Then we can write sudo apt install ubuntu hyphen restricted hyphen extras. Enter. Yes. So we can see that our Ubuntu or Linux is working perfectly in our PC. So that's all for today. Thank you. Good night. If you have any comment or any question, please don't hesitate to comment below in the comment section. I will try to get back to you through email. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Now we can see that our Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS installed and ready to use. So we can continue testing. To test this, we have to go to the terminal and we can check our this is in home. You can check the list. So you can see that there are desktop documents downloads. It's working perfectly. Then we can check sudo apt update. It will update the installation. Then we can write sudo apt install ubuntu hyphen restricted hyphen extras. Enter. Yes. So we can see that our Ubuntu or Linux is working perfectly in our PC. So that's all for today. If you have any comment or any question, please don't hesitate to comment below in the comment section. I will try to get back to you through email. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.